Hello again. Today we will assign a different data in each of the cells of our TableView controller. I will show you how to do that. Okay, let's create a struct in our TableView controller. Var numbers equals to this struct, and we can place items in our struct 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say that. So I will not change the number of the sections in my table view because I have only one kind of data. So all I have to change is to get the number of number struct in my number of rows in check section function. To do that, I will call self.numbers.count. This will return the count of the items in my number struct. Okay. All I have to do is to assign each row's data to my label. To do that, I will call self.numbers indexPath survey indexPath.row. Now let's run this. As you see, I have 5 different numbers in 5 different cells. Okay. Now you can change this whatever you like. Now let's add sections to our table view and see how we can do this. Now I will change my number struct a little bit. Okay, like this. Let's give it a maximum number of 3 items in each section. Okay, 4, 5, 6, and let's create another one. 7, 8, 9. For better weaving, let's put this here, this one here. Okay, now I have 3 sections in my number struct, as you see. So I have to return the number of the sections. To do that, I will call self.numbers.count. Now I have 3 structs within a struct, so each of these ones is a value. It will return 3 for my sections. It will create 3 sections. Okay, and for number of items in each section, for this function, I will call self.numbers sections. Okay, sections.count. Sorry, section point count, and this will also return 3 within a section. Okay. So I want to add a title for each of my sections. For this, I will call another function title for header in section. I will use this one. So I will get the first item of my sections as a section title. For this, I will return self.numbers section and 0. This is the first item of my each struct. Okay, and you see a little red dot with a white dot in it. This will recommend a correction for our code. When you press it, it says that to fix this you have to insert override. before the func. So just press that and it will automatically create override here. So that's enough for this one. Okay. Now I need to change my self-fall row at index path because we have multiple sections now. To get the correct values, I will call this self.nameLabel.text equals to self numbers. Now first get the section, index path, section, then the row, index path, dot row. Okay. Now this will create our sections and give a title to it. Let's see that. Now we have 3 sections, 1, 2, 3. No, the initial number is our title for the section. Okay. So let's manipulate a little bit more. I want to center the section title for each section. To do this, I will call another function called function will display header view. Okay. Now let's get our header view. Header view, if let header view equals to view as UITableView. Header view equals to view as, this is a UITableView, so UITableView header footer view. Okay. Now let's use our header view dot text label dot text alignment. The position can be left, let's check it, center, left and right. I will use center. And header view, let's manipulate it a little bit more. Content view dot background color. I will change the background color of the section, of each section. UI color dot, let's say, red color. Okay. Let's change the font. Header view, text label, font. I will use a custom font. UI font name. Let's use Helvetica Bold. And the size equal to, let's say, 18. Now let's change the color of our label. Header view, text label, text color equals the UI color. Background is red, so I will change it to white. Let's say not white, blue color. Okay. I will let override again. Now let's run our application. As you see, we changed the color of our sections, font of our titles, and the color of our title labels. This is the end of our tutorial today. The next tutorial I will talk about a little bit about our navigation controllers. See you later.